Hey guys, it's Jonathan and Yasid. We're headed to Mad Hatter Muffler with our 78 Camaro. I know you're wondering what I'm doing right now, but I'm inside of our 83 Westfalia. This is our bug out vehicle for the pandemic. It has everything you'd ever need to live inside. You've got a table here. You could groom cats, you can roll joints, you can eat fruit, you can read a book. You've got a stove, a sink that operates. Let me show you. So it has a little pump. Turn the water on. Isn't that awesome? Then you've got a refrigerator. And then this runs on, you can run it on propane, 12 volts or 120, so you can plug it into a wall. So you can keep your refreshments cold, whatever you want to bring. It'll hold some items here, so if you want to put water bottles. That also on propane, it lasts for 30 days total. Like you just a little bit of propane, that's it. Got a whole bunch of storage units. And then it also pops up and you can sleep up here. But let's get to our Camaro 78. We picked it up out of an auction in Indianapolis. The exhaust right now is subpar, so it's just mufflers that dump right before the axle. It's gonna make a mess under there. We're gonna do true dual exhaust with flow masters and then rear exiting tips. I've already ordered a dash pad, so they make a dash pad that basically tapes over this dash right here. It's not bad, but there's cracks that just don't look good. So we'll get that in place. And then we're gonna do white stripes, dual white stripes throughout, and that's really gonna make this thing pop. Let's go ahead and start it up and get it to Mad Hatter. Pretty neat, it has a digital dash. Ready? Nice modern radio. Headliner's nice. It's cold natured, no choke yet. But I love the dash, look at that. Right there, look how they have it held in place. It's got a coat hangers. We gotta fix that. Yeah, this thing needs some flow. Look at that beautiful Ford. All right, let's get out of here. It's about a 5-mile drive to Mad Hatter Muffler. This thing definitely needs an alignment. That's no big deal, we'll take care of it. Turn here. There's a hard rock behind these trees. You see that? It's a giant guitar in Florida. It's got the Mad Hatter. I don't know if this car was smoking or if the shop is full of smoke. There he is. All right. You laughing at that?
Yeah, take a little pride in your work, huh?
Exactly. We're gonna head back to Mad Hatter Muffler. We're gonna take this beautiful, is it a 1989? 89 F350 quad cab diesel 4-wheel drive. This is pretty rare. It even has a lift gate. Come on. Look at that comfort. This thing's pretty nice. So it wasn't stock turbo, right? They added the turbo? It's stock turbo? Ooh, America. Mario bought this, where'd you buy this?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Pittsburgh.
I remember when you pulled up, this thing was smoking like a chimney, no transmission left. And you go, I think it's gonna be all right. And then that was like $8,000 later.
Yeah.
It runs good now and the AC's cold, that's beautiful. The suspension feels much better too with the new shocks.
Brakes?
Brakes, yeah, they're all right. It's a big truck. Look at that thing, wow. That's the new 45 Nortec. Oh, you hear the turbo? Oh, look, you have bass, treble. It's like a Ferrari. We can't have this on because then we don't get monetized. I mean, we can put it on.
No.
Nope. Monetization. We need to make our money. You see, needs his money. Listen to this boost. It's not the fastest, girl. We got a couple issues going on here. We've got this one trying to back up on the main
What's
road.
going on with my leg?
Remember that one time we were in the Grand National and I decided to floor it?
Yes.
It was on this road right here. We're not going to get a ticket in this thing. Tropical Lakers.
I only do trucks. I don't do drifting.
I don't think you could drift this.
Give me a nice grass area with a little bit of water, and I can drift anything. If I can't drift,
Drifted. Oh my gosh, on someone else's property, I was like, oh, they're gonna come out here, we're gonna get in trouble.
straight
You know what I like about this? It tells you if there's water in the fuel and you can go underneath the hood. There's a little nipple, and you get the water out.
No, in the filter.
Yeah, right there, like underneath it.
Yes.
Yeah, you gotta have the nipple. You know, I saw a Fiesta driving down the highway today when I was going to Hollandale, and it had that stupid crackle tune. He was on the highway passing everybody, zipping and zooming, and then let off, pop, 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 pop. And I wanted to go over there and just punch him in the head. So don't ever use that tune on your car, please. There she is.
The motorcycle?
No, not the Camaro.
Oh, sorry.
That thing's nice. The rumble of the exhaust.
That music, so I don't want to
Whoa,
see what's going on.
perfect parking. Look at this baby. Ooh, I love the tips. You gotta see these things. That is what we needed. I love how he does the exhaust too. If you look underneath it, he paints all the pipes so they don't rust or corrode. Beautiful tips. Nice flow masters under there. I love it. He doesn't weld with face shield, he closes his eyes.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. What are you doing back there? Oh, it was rough under there?
Huh?
Look at the exhaust that was on this thing. The hell is that?
They're old one turbo. Yeah, this was the collector on the one side.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, they shoved that sucker all the way up to the motor. Kind of wondered why one side breathed in, one side actually had done properly, but this one didn't.
It's
What
crazy.
kind of jackass does that? I mean, what?
I don't know, that's impressive.
There's all the gas in the circle trying to.
Yeah,
Kind of wonder why this gasket was blown out. That one wasn't.
that's why it smelled like gas while I was driving.
Yeah, that and well, the wire. We know about it.
Yeah, they had a speaker wire hole.
To the bottom of the floor.
Oh,
Under the seat. I'm not sure what the hell anybody was thinking.
well, I'm glad you fixed it. It looks real nice now. Junk. Can I start it up? Oh man, that's what we needed. Let's bring it to Dark Horse so they can wrap the roof and then we'll do some interior work. That sounds so much better. Great job.
Nice old car.
Cool, let me get you paid. So much better. So he makes art. You should check out some of the art that he makes. And he's famous. He's been in the newspaper millions of
There's
times.
a lot of weird stuff in there.
Yeah, you gotta check it, take a look at it.
There's pictures of it.
Oh, here you go. He used to have a shop on 441. Yep.
Really old.
Yeah, I remember that when I was a kid.
Yeah, you forget that a lot.
That's all muffler parts. Didn't you get, you got in trouble because you had these statues out, right?
Yeah, I had it too close to the street. It was there for 7 years. One of them 7 years. He said, you can't.
Well, I'll let you keep on working. See you later. Oh, yeah. So this is Mattia. He is the distributor for APA in, I guess, the United States, correct? Yep. Yep. He makes some amazing, look at this. This thing's wrapped, that's wrapped. It's all materials. We're gonna do some stripes on this thing. the dash. So we're doing 2 stripes, just like the original Z28, only on the hood. Partial front, so they'll go to basically here, and in the front, as well in the wing. And we're done. And then this thing will be listed for sale. Yeah, these are all of his, I guess, colors that he does. They do mostly automotive, and now they're going into commercial, so they can do kitchens, wood, just like this table. They wrap this table. Pretty unique. I mean, you don't have to go all the way to the bottom of the bunker.
Okay. But here there is no roof.
Yeah, let's just do the hood and the trunk, just like that. You don't have to do the roof.
Okay.
What'd you put on here?
Satin white pearl.
That's beautiful. Let me go to the back. Well, I mean, you could show how you do it. I like how we're learning the Academy of Early Education. We just got the Camaro back from APA. They did a great job. As you can see, the wrap looks good. I've showed it a couple times already in the video. We went to go start it. We were gonna go do the test drive video, and it didn't want to start. We felt the power wire on the battery, and it was really hot, so there was some sort of connection issue. We swapped out the starter. We still had a click issue, so it just clicked. We checked the voltage. It was 5 volts from the power, so that means that there was a compromise on the positive terminal. We replaced that. We actually tested it first with a jump wire, and it worked. Now, fire it off, Mario. Be sure to subscribe so we can show you the test drive. We're going to be taking this out in the next video. We're going to do a complete walk around, drive it down the road, and show you all the perks and features so you guys can make a decision on if this would be a great classic car for you.